The outro extends gratitude to viewers for their attention and support. The channel's core mission is to promote in-depth automotive knowledge. Viewers are encouraged to understand the engineering and technology behind cars. The outro emphasizes a deeper appreciation beyond superficial aspects. A call to action prompts viewers to engage with the content. Viewers are encouraged to like, subscribe, and anticipate future content. Ever wondered what keeps your car battery alive while driving? The answer is the alternator. The alternator is a critical component for electrical power generation in a car's engine. It is driven by the engine's mechanical rotation using a belt. The alternator converts this mechanical energy into electrical energy. This electricity powers the car's electrical systems while the engine is running. An alternator uses a rotating rotor with magnets inside a stator with coiled wires. The rotor's spinning motion induces an alternating current, AC, in the stator windings. A rectifier converts the AC current into direct current, DC. The resulting DC current is suitable for powering the car's electrical system. The alternator generates DC current to supply power to the vehicle's electrical system. This DC current directly powers components like headlights and the infotainment system. Simultaneously, the alternator's DC output charges the car's battery. Charging the battery ensures it remains ready for engine starts. The battery also powers electrical systems when the engine is not running. Follow up in our next video, we will learn more about charging system. Thank you for watching.